Hello everyone. First of all, I want to congratulate you for completing the previous section and maintaining the punctuality to learn new commands. So, let me tell you what we are going to learn in this new section. Till now, we have seen different Nmap commands, but we have seen the results which are showing most commonly known 1000 ports. So, this section is dedicated to ports. In this section, we will be learning different commands using which we can scan more than those most commonly known 1000 ports. Also, we will learn how we can specify Nmap to scan our customized port or range of ports or the specific ports we want to scan. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the first command.